Hello, welcome back to Mary Kelly. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this Ayurvedic hair butter, which is very easy to make. I'm going to show you all the ingredients will be listed on the screen as well as the measurements if you need the measurements, but you're free to use the quantities that you want for any of the ingredients, or make sure you don't add too much wax, otherwise it's going to be very hard. So the recipe is quite straightforward. You can just follow along and make it if you want to make your own. So thank you all very much, and until next time, enjoy. Bye. And guys, enjoy the music. I sing sometimes, and I hope you enjoy. That's our butter done, and thank you all very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.